this is Trish from Passion for Juice. Today we're going to make raw nut porridge. I've just done a workout down the beach, so I feel like I need a big hit of protein. And what I've got in here is a mixture of nuts that I've got. So I've got almonds and cashews today. Brazil nuts would be good, whatever you've got in the cupboard. And I'm just going to blitz them up in the bullet. So they're nice and fine. That's it. Put those in a saucepan. I'm not going to heat them, I'm just going to add some hot water. The saucepan for ease of mixing, really. I'm going to put a little bit of flax meal in as well for the good omegas, nice balanced omegas. And a little bit of hot water. Mix it in. You can warm this a little bit if you like. You don't have to. I like to add a few chopped dates as well for some flavour. And there we go. It's that easy. Raw nut porridge. Fantastic for cold winter days. If you're in the UK, I'm thinking of you guys. And a great hit of protein that will set me up for the day. Have a great day.